Here is the very beautiful French cabinet, and I am going to paint it in a lighter color and get the curves better exposed. I have started with an old white paint and left some wood exposed. But then I have decided to give it more solid white cover. You will see later why I have changed my mind. Keep watching. My second color is a dark egg blue, and I added some water to make it a bit thinner, but not so much that it would become a paint wash. I am also using my mister bottle to make it easier painting inside the details. Then, with the wet rug, I am taking some of the paint off to expose the white paint underneath and the wood on the high points of the details and the cabinet itself. It is easier to get the paint into the details when it is slightly loose and running. You see here why I wanted to have a solid white cover. I want the low points to be lighter and the high points to be distressed to the wood, as it would happen if this piece of furniture would age naturally. Here I am using a wet distress method. While the paint is still wet, I am gently taking some of it off, in some parts leaving the white paint exposed, and in the others taking both covers off to the wood. To expose the small details, I wrap the rug around my finger and change it and wash it often. The rug must be wet, but rinsed quite well. For my next step, I am using a wet rug, a mister bottle, and a Paris Grey paint wash. Here, I have diluted the paint with half water. I am applying the paint wash with the same technique. The paint wash first to the small sections, and then wiping some of it off with the wet rug. I'm applying the gray wash because I want to smooth the look of a dark egg blue chalk paint. I don't want the cabinet looking too bright. This is one of the ways to apply some hue on any color underneath and create a smoky, subtle effect. The condition of the cabinet is not as good as it looks. I am still waiting for a new wooden top, as the old one is quite damaged. Also, there are no shelves or even a bottom inside. Once it is all done, I will paint the inside of the cabinet in dark egg blue. When the paint is well dry, I gently sand the whole piece with a soft sanding pad. Dust it off and cover with the clear wax. And it is done. Just to remind you how it was before and how it is now. Thank you for stopping by. I hope to see you again with my new project.